Hello, today we will guide you through how to add an email message Payhip. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to add a custom subject line and message that Payhip can send to your customers. This is useful for thanking buyers, sharing quick instructions, or setting expectations about delivery and support in a clear, professional way. Begin on your Payhip dashboard. From here, look toward the top right of the screen and find the Account menu. This menu is where you control profile and store-level preferences. Click Account to open its options, then choose Settings. Settings is where Payhip organizes most of the controls that affect how your store behaves and communicates with customers. Inside Settings, select Advanced Settings. This area collects features that fine-tune your storefront and buyer experience. Once the Advanced Settings page loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll find the section for customizing the email message that accompanies your customer communications. If you don't see it at first, keep scrolling. It's placed near the end of the page so that it's easy to review before saving. Next, enter your email subject. Keep it short, specific, and recognizable so customers immediately understand what the message is about. For example, you might reference the purchase or delivery in a straightforward way. Avoid all caps or excessive punctuation, and use clear language that won't get flagged by spam filters. Then, enter the message. This is the body of the email your customers will receive. Aim for a friendly, concise tone. Start with a brief thank you, include any essential instructions for accessing products or downloads, and let customers know how to get help if they need it. If you include links, make sure they're accurate and relevant. It's also a good idea to format the message with short paragraphs so it's easy to read on mobile devices. When you're happy with the subject and message, click. Save these settings. Saving applies the changes to your store, so new customers will receive the updated email going forward. After saving, give your message one more skim for typos and clarity. If your brand has a particular voice or style, make sure the tone reflects it consistently across both the subject and the message. That's it. You started from the Payhip dashboard, opened Account, went into Settings, visited Advanced Settings, scrolled to the bottom, and added a clear subject and message before saving. This small update can meaningfully improve your customer experience and reduce support questions by setting expectations right from the inbox.